morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about pricing and whether or not you are pricing yourself correctly. I am never going to value my service the same way my clients value my service. In the same way a mechanic wouldn't pay to have his car worked on, I wouldn't pay someone to do my books. Okay? That doesn't mean it's not worth something. We all have our own individual skills, and those skills make us the money that we make, okay? So if you can do everything, and I know some people that absolutely can do basically everything, they don't spend a lot of money getting those specialized services. But the problem that always comes into play is, we see a business into their second year of business not making any money, and the question is always, my first question is, are you busy? And of course, most of the time the answer is yes. So then my second question is, are you really busy? And if they answer yes to that as well, then there's a pricing problem or an industry problem. We had a long time ago, we had a construction company come in, and it was a small construction company, residential, and they wanted to charge $40 an hour to do their service. Now that $40 an hour seems like a lot of money. Someone who just got off a job making $25 an hour. But that $15 difference is quickly eaten up by the costs associated with owning a business. So $40 an hour is actually much less than what $25 an hour is if you own your own business, as opposed to being an employee. So that's why you'll see a lot of guys, take electricians for instance. They might be paid $20 an hour, but their company is charging them out at 85, so 4.25 times what they're actually earning. And a lot of times those companies that are charging them out at that rate are still not actually making a whole lot of money off of that. Right, because there are costs associated with that. Business is expensive. The moment you tell anybody that you're in business, your fee doubles, it's ridiculous. Take phone companies for instance. You want a home phone, $12. You want a business phone, $80. Doesn't make any sense. And yeah, there's other options out there. I don't want to get into that, but anyways, price yourself correctly. Price yourself often, okay? The only time you're really going to realize whether or not you're priced properly, if you're not paying attention to your books on a monthly basis, is once per year when you get your report from your accountant and they tell you don't owe any taxes. Now, don't be excited about not owning any taxes. You want to pay taxes, okay? You want to. That means you're making money. If you are not paying taxes and getting GST refunds, it's bad. Very, very bad. Okay, so I hope that helps. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Click the notifications button so you can see when new videos come out. If you have any topics that you'd like me to cover, please reach out to me. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.